Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Do you remember, kids? We had read about heavy and light in the previous class. Okay, now firstly take out your maths book and open page number 16. Our topic was heavy and light. We also did a lot of activities related to this topic. I think you must have the whole concept of heavy and light. Okay, student? Now, so today we will do an exercise related to the topic. Means which topic is going on? Heavy and light. So, this page is completed. Now come to the next page. Okay. This is an exercise. Look at the pictures in each box. Circle the heavier means. So student, in both these pictures, see, okay, in both this picture, which is heavy? See, these are the two pictures. This is an elephant and this is a butterfly. Now tell me which is heavy? Yes, this one is heavy than this one. The weight of an elephant is heavier than butterfly. Now come to the next picture. Yes, this is a watermelon and this is a lemon. So, which is heavy? Yes, this one is heavier than this one. Watermelon is big in size and lemon size is small. So, watermelon is heavier than lemon. Now, come to the next picture. Yes, what is this? This is a brick and this is a coin. So, which one is heavier? This one is heavy in weight. Okay, this one is heavier than this one because coin size is very small and big size is big. Okay, that's why brick is heavier than coin. Understood? Now come to the next picture. What is this? Yes, this is a lock and this is a keys. Okay, students, which one is heavy? Yes, this one is heavier than this one. Lock weight is heavy and the key weight is light. So, lock is heavier than key. Now, come to the heading. Look at the pictures and in each box. Circle the heavier one. Means जो heavier है उसे उस पर हमें circle करना है. Okay, students. So now come. Okay. Elephant and elephant. Elephant is heavier than butterfly. So circle it heavier. Yes. Yes, like that. Okay, now firstly we will put date here. Today's date is 29/05/2020. Okay, this is your homework. So write down HW here. Yes, come to the exercise. Yes, elephant is heavier than butterfly. So we have to circle on elephant. Now come to the next picture. Yes, watermelon is heavier than lemon. So we have to circle on the watermelon like this. Okay student, this is your homework. आपको भी ऐसे ही circle करना है book पे. Now, brick is heavier than coin. So we have to circle on the brick like this. Okay. You have to color also. I have used this pencil because I have, and you can use crayons colors. Okay, yes. Now come to the next picture. Log. So have to circle on the log. Understood student? जो पिक्चर हैवी है उस पे हमें सर्कल करना है. दैट्स वाई हमने यहाँ सर्कल किया, वाटरमेलन पे सर्कल किया, ब्रेक पे सर्कल किया एंड लॉग पे सर्कल किया, बिकॉज दीज आर द हैवियर देन these. Okay students, understood? This is your homework number 1. Now come to the next page. Open page number 18. So this is your another exercise. You also put it heading here, HW. This is your also your homework. Okay, now what is the question? Look at the pictures in each box. Circle the lighter one. Okay, circle the lighter one picture means जो लाइट है उस पे हमें सर्कल करना है. नाउ लुक एट दिस फर्स्ट पिक्चर. दिस इज अ बस and this is a bicycle. Which one is heavy? Yes, this one is heavy and this one is light in weight. So circle the lighter ones means you have to circle a cycle. Okay, like this, because cycle is lighter than bus. Now come to the next. This is a pineapple and this is a cherry. Now students, tell me which one is light in weight? Yes, this one is lighter than this one. So circle it here like this. Okay, because our question is circle the lighter one. That's why we have to circle it here, because the cherry weight is lighter than pineapple. Pineapple is heavier in weight and cherry is very light. So we have to circle it here. Now come to the next picture. Yes, this is an elephant and this is an ant. Okay, ये तो वैसे भी दिख रहा है कि कौन सा हैवी और कौन सा लाइट है. So circle it here like there. Okay, because the ant is lighter than an elephant. Understood? Yes. Next picture is bowl and fork. Okay, which one is lighter? Yes, this one is lighter than this one. So you have to circle it here like this. Okay, because the spoon weight is lighter than bowl. Bowl is heavy and spoon is light in weight. So we have to circle fork. Sorry, fork weight is light and bowl weight is heavy. Bowl is heavy and fork is light in weight. Understood students? What is the difference between heavy and light? Heavy means bhari and light means halka. Understood? Now come to the notebook. Yes, take out your maths notebook. Okay, it's your maths copy. So take out your maths copy. Now firstly write down today's date here. Today's date is 29/05/2020. Parent, this is your task. You will put here date and heading. This is your homework. That's why I am writing here SW. Now this is the heading of your homework. Parents, you will write here. Okay, look at the pictures and color the heavier one. Understood? Now question is, look at the pictures and color the heavier one. Means जो पिक्चर हैवियर है उस पे आपको कलर करना है. Now look at these two pictures. ball and balloon. Ball and balloon. Which one is heavier? This one is heavy in weight or this one is heavy in weight? Yes, ball is heavier than balloon because balloon is light in weight. Okay, because balloon is light and ball is heavy. So you have to color on your ball because ball is heavier than balloon. Like this. Okay, मैम ने यहाँ पे कलर किया because the ball is heavier than balloon. That's why मैंने यहाँ पे कलर किया. Now come to the next picture. This is a brick and this is a pencil. Okay, which one is heavy? Brick is heavy or pencil is heavy? Yes, brick is heavier than pencil. So you have to color on bricks. See, like this. Okay students, आपको heavier pictures पे color करना है. Brick is heavier than pencil. That's why मैंने यहाँ पे color किया. Now come to the next picture. This is a flower and this is a tree. Tree is heavier than flower because the size of tree is big and flower size is small. That's why tree is heavier than flower. So you have to color on the tree. Yeah, like this. Okay students. Now one more thing. While coloring, okay, during in coloring time, follow the coloring rules. Means don't go outside the margin. ओके आपको कलर सिर्फ लाइन के अंदर ही करना है, मार्जिन से बाहर कलर नहीं करना है. स्टूडेंट्स, इस बात का आपको ध्यान रखना है. ड्यूरिंग इन कलरिंग टाइम डोंट गो आउटसाइड द मार्जिन. ओके, नाउ टर्न द पेज. यस, दिस इज योर ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क. सो राइट डाउन HW here. Okay, and this is your homework heading. Parent will write the heading. Look at the pictures, color the lighter one. Understood? Look at the pictures, color the lighter one. Means जो लाइटर है वेट में, मीन्स जिसका वेट लाइट है, आपको उस पे कलर करना है. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, नाउ लुक एट हियर. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ लीफ एंड दिस इज अ bunch of leaves. Here there is one leaf and here there are so many leaves. It is a bunch of leaves and here only one leaf. So which one is lighter? This one is light in weight or this one is light in weight? Yes, this one is light in weight. This one is lighter than this one because here only one leaf and here bunches of leaves. That's why this leaf is lighter than this one. So you have to color on this leaf. Okay, like this because this is light in weight and the bunches of leaves is heavy in weight. Now come to the next picture. This is a pineapple and this is an orange. So which one is lighter? Yes, orange is lighter than pineapple because you know guys, pineapple is a fruit and orange is also fruit. Pineapple is big in size and orange is small in size. ओके, पाइनएप्पल तो बिग होता है और ऑरेंज इज स्मॉल इन साइज. सो ऑरेंज इज लाइटर देन पाइनएप्पल. ऑरेंज वेट इज लाइटर. ओके, पाइनएप्पल इज हैवी. सो ऑरेंज इज लाइटर देन पाइनएप्पल. सो यू हैव टू कलर orange like this. follow the coloring rule. Okay, wear very carefully, don't go outside the margin. Yes, what is the color of orange? Orange. Now come to the next picture. This is a spoon and this is a glass. Okay, students, tell me which one is light and which one is heavy. Yes, spoon is light and glass is heavy. Spoon is lighter than glass. Understood? Glass is heavy in weight and spoon weight is very light. So you have to color spoon. Okay, like this. Okay, spoon is lighter than glass. That's why I'm doing coloring here. Understood, students? I think your concept is clear. ठीक है, what is the difference between heavy and light? This exercise is based of heavier and this exercise is based on light. So these two pages are your homework. You complete it and submit to me. Please parent, आपको ये हेडिंग डालनी है एंड जो ऑल द पिक्चर्स जो मैंने ड्रॉ किया है. चिल्ड्रंस डूइंग ओनली कलरिंग. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट? दिस इज योर बुक होमवर्क. कंप्लीट इट एंड सबमिट टू मी. ओके, दिस पेज एंड दिस पेज and this is your notebook homework. This page and this page. Complete it and submit me. Understood? Okay, students. Goodbye.